Good evening, children. Now, the topic that you have chosen is optics, chapter 2 in physics, and the first part will be given as 4 different set of videos to you. Follow it one by one. And here, first of all, you have to recall from the lower classes. We know very well light is a form of energy, and the light travels in the form of waves, and the path of the light is called as a ray of light. Here you are seeing the ray of light, and the collection or group of these rays are called as beam of light. Here you are seeing a beam. This beam is a parallel beam because the light rays are traveling together. And here I have shown 2 more beams. One is converging beam, the other one is diverging beam. For example, in this converging beam, different light rays are coming to the point, whereas in diverging beam, from a point they are going away from each other. Now we go to the next one. Any object which gives out light is termed as source of light, and some sources may emit their own light, and they are said to be luminous objects. For example, stars and the sun, they are self-luminous, that is, they give out their own light, but they are natural. Here I have shown a bulb which is a man-made luminous body. It is also a luminous body, but it is man-made. And based on the luminous nature, we can divide objects into luminous and non-luminous. I divide these luminous objects into 2, natural and man-made. As I have told you earlier, for natural we can give example sun and stars, and for man-made you can give any light source like bulb, tubes, and any kind of lamps like CFL or LED bulbs. For non-luminous body you can give any example like a brick, table, book, and even planets and moons. You know very well planets and moons, they reflect the light of the sun. Now let me go to the next one. We are able to see the objects with the help of our eyes, we know very well. But we cannot see the object if you are there in a dark room. So when can we see objects? The question arises. And the answer is, we can see objects only when light is made to fall on the object and the reflected light from the object is viewed by our eye. So to see an object, the condition is we should have eyes to see, we should have an object to see, and we should have light energy to link these eye and object. And this is a fine simple question. In case if you are pointing a powerful torch up the sky in the night, whether we can see anything? The answer is no, we cannot, because when light falls on an object, it gets reflected and reaches our eye, and we are able to see the object. Now let us go to the next one. What we are going to learn in this chapter. First we talk about reflection of light, under which we will talk about the laws of reflection. Then we will talk about the scattering of light, under which we will talk about elastic and inelastic scattering. Then we will talk what is a lens, what are the types of lenses. Then we will go behind the ray diagram to find the images formed by lenses, and we will talk about the uses of lenses separately one by one. Then we will go behind human eye. We will talk about the structure, the working, and different types of defects. Then finally we will run behind optical instruments. One is microscope, the other one is telescope. Under microscope we will be having simple microscope and compound microscope. Under the topic telescope we will be talking about astronomical telescope and terrestrial telescope. Of course we can divide telescopes based on the mirror or lens that we use. It may be either reflecting or refracting. And this is properties of light. Actually it is a very important book back question. What is it?